Let's see how easy it is to change payloads on our BVQ418 platform. This is our payload dock station. It's what we use to attach over 40 different payloads to our BVQ418. It's a sliding spring-loaded mechanism designed with modularity and easiness of assembly and disassembly in mind. Improving and iterating on the previous concept, we developed our double payload dock station, where it's the same mechanism as the previous one. And in this example, we are using a SLAS camera and a loudspeaker to demonstrate the application where two payloads are needed at the same time. We are always cooperating with our customers to develop new and easier ways to implement any kind of payload necessary for the application that the customer needs.